Hey guys, Troy and Rachel here, Titan Off-Road, and today we wanted to demonstrate our dual door hinge step. So notice them locking into place as she opens them. So first she's going to demonstrate that lower step for you guys. And I want you guys to notice the position she's in when she's reaching for the roof. And picture a roof rack in the way there. So another 6 inches higher. And she's not packing anything from that side. She's already positioning herself for that second step. And she's going to reach across so you guys can see that. All right, hang tight. We're going to show you guys. I want you to see her reaching all the way across. She can reach the literal other end of the Jeep with that top step, guys. So loading that rooftop tent or getting into that rooftop tent, loading that roof rack, super simple. That is the biggest reason why this is our #1 seller, guys. We are to my knowledge, the only one on the market with that step right there. 100% American made, American materials. So real quick, we're gonna make this short and sweet. Order in the month of May. We're going to give free shipping. And then we're going to go even further, guys, and order any step from us. Any step. So our dual door hinge step, single door hinge step, or the trailer hitch step / skid plate. And we're going to toss in a free t-shirt. And they are sweet. All right, guys. So place your orders. Get them in by May 31st. We'll see you soon.